What's up, guys? Luckside coming to you again here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Again, if you have not already, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, tons of great content coming your way. So if you're new to investing, there is something that I think should be very important that you know how to do, and that is how to read a chart. So what we're going to be talking about today is candlesticks. Not like the one I have in my hand, which I have been informed to put back if I'm going to use it as a prop. So we're going to be talking about candlesticks in charts. So what is a candlestick? Well, Investopedia says a candlestick is a type of price chart used in technical analysis that displays the high, low, open, and closing prices of a security for a specific period of time. It originated from Japanese rice merchants and traders to track market prices and daily momentum hundreds of years before becoming popularized in the United States. The wide part of the candlestick is called the real body and tells investors where the closing price was higher or lower than the opening price, black/red if the stock closed lower, and then white/green if the stock closed higher. So I want to show you what a candlestick looks like and what the parts of a candlestick look like. So see right here. So this candlestick on the left shows a price drop, and the one on the right here shows a price increase. So you'll see here on the left, this shows what the opening price of the candle would be. So once it hit that period of time, this is where that candlestick would start. Now, if the price moves up during that period of time, it can reach what's called a wick, right? A candle, right? Hit a wick to what the high price would be. Now, if it continues to move down from there, you'll see it also creates a wick to what the low price would be. Now, where the price finally closes out during that period of time would be where the closing price is, right? So you'll see here, this is a negative candle or a dropping candle, right? And then here is a green candle, right? So you'll see these closed candles here when they're fully blacked out like this, that is one that is going downward. And when they're open like this, those are ones that are going upwards. Now, these can be represented in colors as well, which will be the most common thing that you do see in charts. So obviously red candles, not so good. Green candles, very good. Now, if we switch over, I can actually show you on an active chart what this may look like. So here we're looking at the Bitcoin daily chart. This is the 1 hour time frame. And you'll see you have a bunch of candles on here, right? So now taking the stuff that we've learned, let's go ahead and read a couple of these candles. Now, taking a look at this big green candle right here, right? So at the very base of the candle, we'll see a price of about $21,800, right? So that would be the opening price. Now, as we move upwards here, you'll see this large wick all the way up to $22,530, right? So that would be the high price for that wick. Now, the price did come back down during that point in time, and you'll see the top of the candle ended up closing at 22,207. If I could read, 22,207. So that is the different price points during that candle. Now you will see that there is no bottom wick on here, and that what that would represent is if this candle started right and the price just continued going up and never ended up dropping below what that opening price would be. So you basically have a wick on the top, no wick on the bottom. Now the same thing can happen on a candle that is moving downwards too, as you'll see represented by this one here. So that's pretty much it. That's kind of how a candle works. But I hope you guys got some good information out of this. You feel free to drop any questions that you have in the comments section. Love to see how I can help out more with any chart reading stuff. Try to keep it basic. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe the channel. Tons of great content again coming your way. And we will talk to you soon.